Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin. Today, we'll talk about a very important topic for those who are dreaming to work on the cruise ship. Why some crew members are sent home if they don't follow the rules. Working on a cruise ship is not just a job, it's also a lifestyle. Remember, when you are on board, you are living and working in the same place together with 1,000 of other people. That's why the company sets very strict rules for everyone's safety, discipline, and professionalism. Safety violations. Cruise ships have strict safety protocols. If a crew member ignores safety drills, doesn't follow emergency procedures, or puts others at risk, that's a major reason to be sent home. Safety is always number one at sea. Breaking company policies. Every cruise line has policies about alcohol, drugs, relationships, and behavior on board. If a crew member breaks these rules, the company will not hesitate to repatriate them immediately. For performance or attitude, crew members are expected to work hard, respect their supervisors, and deliver excellent service. If someone refuses to work, shows bad behavior, or has a negative attitude, it affects the whole team and that can lead to being sent home. Respect and professionalism. Respect towards guests and fellow crew is non-negotiable. Disrespectful actions, harassment, or unprofessional conduct can cause serious problems and may result in dismissal. At the end of the day, cruise companies value discipline, teamwork, and professionalism. Remember, when you follow the rules, you're not just protecting yourself, you're also protecting your fellow crew members and the thousands of passengers on board. So if you dream of working on a cruise ship, always remember this. Discipline is the key to staying on board. Be responsible, respect the rules, and give your best every single day. Because when you do, you'll not only keep your job, you'll also grow, travel the world, and build a successful career at sea. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship tips. See you on the next video.